how to bring back the Android back button. So right here you can see that there is no any back button at the bottom of the screen. So in order to bring back that button, what you want to do is head over to your settings of a device. In the search bar, search for gesture. Head over to this option. Here the option of system navigation will be visible to you. Click on it. So right now you can see that the system of navigation is set to gesture, which means that you won't have any back button. So in order to set the back button, what you want to do is you can choose any of these two options, 2-button navigation or 3-button navigation. So let me set it to 2-button navigation. And there you can see that your back button is visible now. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to bring back Android back button. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.